Your first day of affiliate marketing needs to start with a proven strategy, a roadmap that shows you what to do on the next day or day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. You get the point. Inside of my course, Affiliating, How to Build a Profitable Online Business, I have a 9-step roadmap, but it starts actually with 3 foundational phases and some terminology that you need to understand. Even if you're thinking about doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle, you need to be able to look at this roadmap and understand that these 3 foundational phases of traffic, offer, people, or these building blocks that stack on top of each other, are what you need to understand on your first day. You need to spend a little bit of time and understand that this strategy, this 9-step roadmap, is for free traffic. So the first goal here is to understand what traffic is. In the realm of affiliate marketing, you have 2 ways to get traffic. You have paid traffic, which is running things like Facebook ads or Google ads. Then you have free traffic, which is creating content, posting it on YouTube, creating a Facebook page, or posting on your profile, or creating a TikTok, that type of thing. But the concept and the idea of traffic, the definition of traffic, is simply getting people over to click on your affiliate link and giving you the chance to earn a commission as an affiliate marketer. So if we were to go back to the strategy, once you understand that traffic, everything starts with traffic when we are talking about getting free traffic. Then you pick an offer, which is typically what you see here on YouTube. People showing you to go to ClickBank or whatever, find a great offer that converts, and then think about promoting that offer. Well, in my opinion, and based on this proven strategy, based upon what I've been able to do here on YouTube, because my traffic source, my recommended traffic source for everyone, is to get started on YouTube. Some people don't want to do that, but it's still my recommendation. And there are other free traffic sources to include Facebook and TikTok and all that. But it takes a little bit, or it takes a little bit longer. So typically, I don't recommend that be your starting point. Plus, the skills and the things that you'll learn in creating traffic or creating content with the goal of using it as a traffic source here on YouTube can be converted to other traffic sources. But again, going back to the diagram, the offer is not the starting point. On day 1, you're not looking for an offer. On day 1, you're also not thinking about building an email list. On day 1, you're simply looking at the strategy as a whole and saying, what do I need? What do I need today to think about what I need to do tomorrow? So first, you need to think about traffic and whether you're going to do paid traffic or free traffic. Again, most likely, you're here because you want to use free traffic. That's where most people start. So that starts down here on step 1. So on day 1, after you have this proven strategy, and now that you understand that you need traffic, then you'll pick an offer. Then ultimately, the people that see your content, which is the traffic source, will eventually be added to an email list, and you'll add all these parts and pieces together. But you need to, again, go back to the strategy and understand that it all starts by not worrying about all this other stuff that you're going to need to do. Or don't worry about day 2 on day 1, except for the fact that you have a proven strategy and a roadmap that you're going to be able to follow. Then go back and look and say, okay, topic, what does it mean to pick a topic? And a lot of people say, and you probably heard, you need to pick a niche. Well, picking a topic inside of a niche is simply just thinking about a problem that a group of people have, and you are going to solve the problem ultimately with your affiliate offer or the link that they click and then buy. That product they purchase that you earn a commission on is going to be the ultimate solution to your audience's problem. But first, you have to let people know, or you have to create content to show them that that product or how that product will solve their problem. So that starts by picking a topic. Now, when I started with affiliate marketing, I flipped the script on this, and I had a proven strategy and roadmap, but it was for paid traffic. So we went out and we picked a product, and then we went back and we looked and we said, now I need to get people over to my link, but how do I do that? It was really the same thing that I'm showing you here, and I'll actually show you what I started with. It was actually in the parenting niche, and it was this site you see here, Parenting Tips and Hints, but the idea and the focus was potty training or the product that I was promoting on ClickBank at the time was potty training. But you can see I still had to build this website. This is what's called content curation. Basically, I just went and I found a bunch of interesting articles and content that other people had created, and I summarized it, and then I linked back to that content. But the goal and the reason for this site was to drive paid traffic from Facebook over to these articles to ultimately get people over here to check out my offer or to add them to an email list. Again, that was a different strategy, and that is not the focus of the strategy that I want to show you here for day one, because in my opinion, it's super complicated and it costs a lot of money because I had to spend money on traffic. Here, your strategy today, day one, is going to be free traffic. And we want to start here with picking a topic and understanding that the goal here is to get over to step 3 inside of traffic, which is creating consistent content, helpful content. Again, starting here on YouTube, but you can do it on other platforms. The focus, in my opinion, on step 2, where I show you tools, tech, and time. Tools, tech, and time is really just understanding the time it's going to take and then understanding the tools that are required. In this case, like me making this YouTube video, I need a camera so you can see me. I need a microphone so you can actually hear what I'm saying. It's crisp, it's clear. Also lighting and all this other stuff that goes on, but it's really simple once you understand that you just need a proven plan and someone to show you how these things work. Then you go back to the strategy and you say, okay, on today or day one, I understand that I'm going to not worry about all the other steps. I'm just going to focus on the fact that I have a proven plan and now understand what traffic is. Traffic is simply me creating helpful content. And then that leads people over to my affiliate offer and the chance or the potential for them to click on the link and me to earn a commission. I will fast forward just a little bit because I want to be able to show you how on day one, because you might be on day 2 or day 3 of actually thinking about affiliate marketing. So we'll jump into ChatGPT, and this is just a little brainstorming session to share with you so you understand a little bit about what you'll be thinking about. So day 1 is really spent thinking. So if you go inside of ChatGPT, and you could do this with this exact prompt that I typed here, or you could simply just change out the niche, but I wanted to show you how I started, and I wanted to show you the challenges of what I was doing back then, running Facebook ads to curated content versus actually thinking about from the very beginning of getting free traffic by actually picking a topic and creating real, valuable, unique content of your own. You can go to ChatGPT and you can say, I want to create helpful content. That's going to be my traffic source as an affiliate for a product in the parenting niche. Please give me an example topic based on what new parents are searching for when they are getting ready to have their first baby. Then you can see that ChatGPT is going to actually give you a little summary here and a little guidance saying creating content that addresses the needs and concerns of new parents can be a great way to engage your audience, promote products in the parenting niche. One effective approach is to focus on topics that offer practical advice and product recommendations. Basically, affiliate marketing in a nutshell is product recommendations to solve common challenges faced by new parents. Here's an example topic that could resonate well with your target audience. And again, all you're doing at this point is saying, I need to pick a topic here on day 1 based on my proven roadmap, and AI is going to assist me. It's going to let me brainstorm. And you can see here, the topic is the Ultimate New Parent Survival Guide, Top 10 Must-Have Products for Your Baby. Again, the focus here is product focused, and that's okay to think, okay, I'm going to create content that shows them exactly the products that they need, and I'm going to show you I'm going to show my audience, you're going to create content that shows your audience the pros and the cons of that content. It's one very specific type of content. And then you can see here that it's going to walk you through the steps: introduction to parenthood challenges, sleep solutions, feeding essential, diapering gear, health and safety gadgets. But you get the concept, you get the idea here. Now, once you understand and you pull back and you say, my focus needs to be on day 1, a proven strategy that lays out the roadmap, 9 simple steps based on 3 solid building blocks or foundational blocks of traffic over to my offer, which then once I show to people, I need to add those people to an email list, because having an email list is going to allow me to follow up with people. Because when someone lands on your content, either here on YouTube or say you have a blog, they read that post, you have an affiliate link. If they just click that link and go over, that is the only chance that you get. But if they click a link and you add them to an email list, then you have the chance to follow up with them. Again, don't get too overwhelmed, go back to the idea and focus of day one is just focusing on a proven strategy. Traffic offer people, 3 foundational building blocks, 9 steps, 3 steps per phase, or just 3 simple steps that you need to ensure that you complete to make sure that each building block is solid, and then you can stack one on top of the other. And again, like I said at the beginning of the video, yes, this can be a side hustle, and it will be for most folks. You'll be started off and you'll say, look, I just want to make a little bit of money as an affiliate marketer, and I want to get started. I want to get started quick, fast, and in a hurry. But you have to step back and say, on day one, I'm going to accept that I need to spend time, focus on a proven strategy, and then I will move forward to day 2 when I'm ready to move forward to day 2. After day 2, you'll move to day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you'll keep moving forward. And that's all there is to it. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.